Hey, what are you cooking for dinner tonight? Hey,
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about making a stir fry. What do you think?
that sounds good. I love stir fries. What kind of vegetables are you going to use?
I'm thinking about using broccoli, carrots, and onions. I might also add some tofu or chicken.
That sounds delicious. I'm in the mood for something a little spicy, so maybe you could add some chili peppers.
Good idea. I'll do that.
I'll help you with the cooking.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So, how did you learn to cook?
My mom taught me when I was a kid. She's a great cook, so I learned a lot from her.
I wish I could cook like my mom. She's a great cook too.
Well, you can always learn. There are lots of great cooking resources available online and in libraries.
Yeah, I've been meaning to check out some cookbooks. Yeah,
You should. It's a lot of fun to try new recipes and experiment in the kitchen.
I know. I'm excited to try your stir fry tonight.
Me too. I think it's going to be delicious.
That was delicious. Thank you for cooking, Beauty.
You're welcome, eh? I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I'm definitely going to have to learn how to make that stir fry.
I'll give you the recipe.
Thanks. I'll have to try it out next week.
Sounds good. I'm always happy to share my recipes.
I'm really glad you showed me how to make that stir fry. It was so easy, and it turned out great.
I'm glad you liked it. I told you it was a pretty simple recipe.
Yeah, it was. I think I'm going to start cooking more often now.
That's great. Cooking is a great way to save money and eat healthier.
I know, right? And it's fun to experiment in the kitchen and try new things.
Definitely. There are so many different recipes out there, you're never going to get bored.
I'm excited to try some more recipes. Do you have any other favorites?
Sure, I have a few. I'll send you some links to my favorite websites.
Thanks. I'll check them out.
No problem. I'm always happy to help out a fellow cook.
Well, I should probably get going. Thanks again for dinner.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
I just tried out the stir-fry recipe you gave me, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for sharing it with me.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it.
I'm definitely going to make it again soon. I also tried out a few other recipes from your website, and they were all great.
That's great to hear. I'm always happy when people enjoy my recipes.
I'm really starting to get into cooking. I've been trying out new recipes every week, and I'm having a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Cooking is a great hobby.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I'm even thinking about starting a cooking blog.
That's a great idea. I'm sure people would love to read about your cooking adventures.
Thanks. I'm thinking about starting it soon.
Well, I'm excited to see what you come up with.
Thanks. I'll keep you updated.